Hello everyone, just delay, it's Wangmo. Do you know these days are very important ethnic festival for Tibetan, that is Shoton Festival. The original plan of mine was to let you to experience the Shoton Festival through my video, but due to the recent COVID-19, the Shoton Festival has become the quiest Shoton Festival ever. But it doesn't matter. Today I will take you to review the Shoton Festival in previous years in my video. Shoton Festival, commonly known as the Yogurt Festival. In the tradition from the 11th century, lay people celebrate the reappearance of the monks by holding a banquet featuring yogurt. In Shoton Festival, it begins with the ceremony of airing the Buddha's portrait under the sunlight on the back hill of Drupal Monastery in Lhasa, Tibet, China. When the yellow silk covering the figure of the Buddha is gradually drawn back and the giant Tanka Buddha appears before people's eyes, all people on the spot will put their palms together devoutly and bow in worship. The ceremony is so grand and solemn so that people will also call the Shoton Festival as the Buddha Airing Festival. In addition, Tibetan opera will also be performed during the Shoton Festival. It is still very popular among common folk today. Tibetan opera, also called ajalhamo in Tibetan language, which combines music, dance, chanting, acrobatics, comedy, and drama to tell stories, is an ancient art form that has been developed over centuries. Next, I can show you some movements about that. Just like I said, yogurt is an important part during the Shoton Festival. People will prepare the yogurt in advance, and then the whole family will go to Lhasa to eat the delicious homemade yogurt. So Norbalinka in Lhasa is at the center of festivities. Its vast gardens open to a mass of holidaying families. In fact, many Tibetan families will make a yogurt at their home by themselves. I often help my mother to make a yogurt in my hometown. The yogurt tastes very sour at the beginning, so I like to add a lot of sugar. If I have opportunity in the future, I will show you guys how to make yogurt. So to sum up, during the Shoton Festival, Buddha airing, Tibetan opera, and yogurt are essential parts. During this time, we will sincerely pray for the health and happiness for all living beings. So welcome to experience this festival by yourself. It's time to say goodbye to everyone. See you next time. Bye. Just delay.